Well, hello and welcome to AWS Creative Solutions Web Success News. My name's Ken Freeman, and today I want to discuss how to think about a B-blog. What is a B-blog? It's a business blog. Do you have traffic to your website that you want or need? Could you benefit from finding more clients? Do you have a new service launch that's planned, but you don't seem to have the traffic hitting your website like you want or the money to advertise to promote it? The problem is this: there are tons of ways to reach new clients on the internet. The internet never fails to amaze me. The system, which people thought just a few years ago as just being another fad, has transformed into a solid, ever-increasing worldwide phenomenon. And as the story goes, the weblog, more commonly referred to as a blog, was previously and is commonly still often used as an online diary. Blogs are used by individuals, nonprofits, advocacy groups, politicians, even major businesses. The amazing truth is that the blog has forever changed the internet, and the low-cost way to get started, the powerful yet extremely easy tools that you can now use to build your blog in a Web 2 format, and the way blogs have been and are being used has dramatically changed the business world, the nonprofit world, and the personal world. As a business blog, it is now the second most used internet marketing medium on the internet, just below email marketing. The power of the blog really has been unsurpassed in its growth, making millions of dollars of revenue for countless businesses worldwide, changing opinions of millions during this political season, and bringing organizations and supporters together for many nonprofits. There are many different ways or platforms that you could blog, such as Blogger, WordPress, Jomia, Drupal, Typeface, and I'll talk about some of those in just a moment. But first, let me give you 4 major reasons or factors why business blogging can contribute to the success of your office, your business, your nonprofit. It is easy to start up. A blog is easier to set up than a website. And when you consider website design and other complex startup costs, then you're going to need to hire someone like a web designer, and it's going to cost you money. But a blog is simple to design. There's typically a header graphic, a rectangular graphic design at the top of the blog. You can have it designed in such a way as it promotes your business. And as for the design, there's many different themes that you can pick from, absolutely free. And then as you do, you can add plugins for your blog. Plugins are basically features that add a service to the blog, such as the ability to load photos or videos or sound or friends, or to run forums, or to have various and sundry tools on your site like calendars, document exchange, and what have you. But one of the biggest features is that it allows you to further your marketing because of a form that we'll talk about in a moment called RSS. A second major point or factor why this blog can contribute to the success of your business is it is easy to do the content publishing. Every single post in your blog becomes your content, whether it's an article, a latest product, advice, or something you want to give to your customers. Blogging righteously, religiously, and regularly that provides updated content is crucial to a successful blog. In a way, it's like having content that is always having to be loaded up, but it's like an ongoing conversation with your visitors. It's an imparting of knowledge on information they otherwise wouldn't know about your business. Now, because it's so easy to use, you could even set it up so that you could just simply send an email. You write a simple email, you send it, and it becomes the content of your blog. Number 3, it helps you build traffic generation. The thing about a blog is that you can ask your visitors to subscribe to your blog's RSS feed. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication, and what it does is it expands your reach. What happens is someone subscribes to your feed, and when you make that update to your site, aggregator reader then informs your visitor of your newly updated content, and then that will make them come back to your website to learn about more information or to read that new post. Now, you may want to submit your blog to other locations like Blogosphere or Technorata or Dig, And this is the way you build that incredible traffic through viral marketing. And then number 4, a product placement on a blog. You may wonder, well, why should you put your pictures and promote your product on something like a blog? Well, because it becomes a permanent position on the front page of your blog. It can clearly be seen by all your visitors, and that link then becomes something else that can point to your website, and it can find you additional traffic through the search engines. So what is a blog? Blogs are the new secret weapon for reaching your clients and customers. And just like you, I hate to be marketed to. Every day we get bombarded by over 3,500 marketing messages. Email has become so clouded with spam, and frankly, I'm sick of it all. But you see, blogs are different. Blogs are a two-way conversation between the blogger and the bloggee, and of course, all the readers that fall in between. Blogs are something I choose to read because of my interest. Through comments and cross-linking, you can share feedback, and you can build your own network, and you can become, I dare say, an opinion maker. An opinion maker for the political season, an opinion maker for the advocacy group, or an opinion maker to sell your product or your service. Now, I have a special report I want you to download, because that report outlines different tools that you can use, different feeds that you can add to your blog. It also tells you about how to find tools for vlogging or video blogging. So if you need help in getting started, then just go over to awebstore.com and look at our various tools for blogging. We have a whole set of solutions available for you. We'd love to help you. And if you need help, just give me a call this week. So go ahead and download our special report. It's absolutely free. It's called Think Business Blog. So just go ahead and type in your name and your email, and I'll send you this free report, Think Business Blog. Till this time next week, this is Ken Freeman wishing you the best with your web success. Remember, tell a friend, and let's meet again next week. Thanks for listening.